Guys, so today in this video we are going to cover all our remaining 3 features of the company. So first is transferability of shares. See what it means, that there is no restrictions in a public company to transfer the shares from one person to another person. It means there is liquidity and there is freely of transferability of shares. Any members, any shareholder want to sell their share, they can easily done if they are in a public company, and where it can be done in a stock share market or stock market. But in a private company it is restricted. No shares can be transferred from one to another because there is a restriction in the members of company. There can be maximum 200 members, whereas in public it is unlimited, and this is the main reason why there is restriction in the transferability of shares in the private companies. Fine. Second, we have company can be sued and be sued. It means company can have a legal right that they can sue to any person or any company also, and at the same point anyone can be sued on the company if they done any wrong thing, and if they offer any product that is affect the consumer. So you definitely listen the example of here, the example of एक फेयर एंड लवली की जो कंपनी थी, उसमें एक इंसान ने जो था वो स्यू कर दिया था कंपनी के ऊपर बिकॉज उसने उसको इतना ग्लो नहीं दिया था उसके चेहरे पे, तो जिसकी वजह से कंपनी को 3 लाख रुपए उस कंज्यूमर को देने भी पड़े थे, सुना होगा। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि कंपनी के नेम पे स्यू कर सकते हैं बट कैन नॉट स्यू ऑन द मेंबर्स ऑफ द कंपनी। फाइन। एंड एट द सेम टाइम इफ कंपनी डिड नॉट गेट देयर payment by the creditors, so company can sue on the creditors as well. Third, we have company has its own asset, company has its own property. I am giving an example that Ola company has its own cars. Yes, so I said that Ola company has all the cars in its own Ola company name and not the members of the company. So whenever company needs to dispose the asset, use the asset, so they can, and they can easily do that. So yeah, that was all about the features of company. Yeah.